Have a nice day. Alrighty. Preparing the sourdough for the oven. Putting out some flour. We got the sourdough. Gently as you possibly can, scrape it out of your bowl. Grab all you can. And wet your hands. Grab one end of the sourdough, lift it up, put about 2/3, flip it 2/3 over. And now you're gonna just gently let it stretch. Fold this way, fold that way. Grab this. And then I pinch it all together. There you go. Cover it up. Do this 3 times every 30 minutes. Okay, I've manipulated the bread for the second time, and now I'm going to prepare the basket. And what I do is I got a fine strainer. Get some flour in it and sift it into your bowl. A lot of flour, otherwise it'll stick. And then I just put that aside and wait until 30 minutes is up. And I'll manipulate the dough again and put it into the basket. Alrighty, it's time to unveil the dough. And get it into the basket. Once again, we wash our hands. Well, you don't wash them, you just wet them. Grab your dough. Stretch and fold. Stretch it out this way again. Fold it in. Flip it, get a nice solid, and then in the basket it goes. Cover it up, and in 2 hours we'll put it in the oven. Alrighty, it's time for the final phase. My bread dough has risen a bit. I take a piece of parchment paper, put it on top. I have the luxury of a pizza keel that I put on top of that. grab my bowl from the bottom, flip it over. And then I take my bowl out, take that skin out, and I dust off gently a lot of flour. And I get the flour out of the way, and you'll see why in a moment. I cut this to make it easier to fit in the cast iron pot. Okay, I'm going to bring it over near the oven. My cast iron pot has been in the oven for 10 minutes. It's hot. Time to score the bread. Nice deep score. Grab my parchment. Put it in the pot. Lid is cold. I screwed up. Normally I put 2 pieces of parchment in the pot before I put the dough in there, so it doesn't get as brown. It'll be fine. Alrighty, it's showtime for the bread. And just so you know, it's 475 degrees in the beginning for 20 minutes. And then turn it down to 450 for 20 minutes. And you'll have bread. I take it out of the pot. Hear that sound? That means it's done. There you go. That's what it should look like. Oh, that smells good. Have a nice day.